Hello, this is our HPEDM element pallet RMPC 210. Yeah, the product number is HE-E-116634. The material is high quality stainless steel, and the surface accuracy was high, up to 2 micron. This is a test report. Check it with the product together. What is the application for the product? It was alignment of the angle position and the determination of the values of the PC production trucks here. You just need to put it on the truck and use dial indicator to test the accuracy here and here. Yeah, accuracy was high. The product warranty is 1 year, and we can give you a very good price. Welcome to inquire. Thank you.